when CBSE came up with this idea that the children will not only be assessed in academics, they will also be assessed in their life skills, we were just wondering how to go about it. So, this idea of having a camp, I think, was wonderful because this 3 days camp has been designed so well that all the skills of the children are coming up so naturally.
And they said all these communities should be considered habitual offenders or criminal tribes.
They just branded.
They just branded them. क्यों? क्योंकि they were the main business communities of those times. So number one, it is a rare chance to know business communities. Yeah, close perspective.
वो 1000 साल का जो सांप हो जाता है तो वो इच्छाधारी बन जाता है। राम राम।
हम आज लालबाग विलेज में हैं जो
पलवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है।
ओके एंड यहाँ की चाय बहुत टेस्टी है।
Happy birthday dear Geeta, happy birthday to you.
Children, education should always be for life, isn't it? And the best thing which you can learn, just tell me, would you like to learn things within the room or outside the room? Outside the room. So you have had that experience today?
Yes, ma'am.
And I am sure what you could learn in months and classes, you learn today in few hours.
Yes,
Right? So take advantage of these opportunities whenever they come to you, because life is a laboratory and outside labs they provide you more enriching experience than within. And once you develop skills by exposing yourself to a variety of things which are present outside your classroom, learning within the classroom will become very easy.
What I liked best about the camp was that so many activities, like they could be conducted in a very informal atmosphere. You know, the children, for instance, collaborative learning. I was happy to see that collaborative learning, which is emphasized these days, it was so easily facilitated in informal atmosphere, without children even knowing that that's a learning style or methodology. So that was very beautiful. That's what I observed. And I'm happy about it. And children are full of energy. They gained a lot of confidence. I could see the girls being empowered in various life skills, you know.
1, 2, 3, stop.
Okay, so here we have the documentary team, which is preparing a documentary by taking interview of students as well as adults on the topic what space means for them.
Everyone has their own concept of space. We don't like to be judged. We want to live away from any kind of preconception. For just once, we need our own stand. Our thoughts should be given weightage.
Media is one way where the children can know also, and they can give also in the information which they have collected from various sources. So the children are taking full, they want to take full advantage of that, and probably they are trying to convey what they feel, what they learn, what they observe. So basically there is full opportunity of observational as well as experiential learning to be shown to the world.
Children went to different places and they interacted with people. So I felt that they learnt many new things, and also life skills like, how they reacted with their peer group.
Well, the breakfast rocks, and I had coffee, and the sandwiches really are very nice with the veggies and mayonnaise. I really love it.
Waking up in the morning and presenting everything, well done.
I love the cold coffee. It's yum, yeah.
Very nice, well laid out. I was very impressed with the presentation and the way the students were working. I think at home they must be very reluctant, or they might be reluctant, but here everybody was having full team spirit.
इन 3 दिनों में जैसे एक पक्षी उन्मुक्त गगन में उड़ता है, ऐसे ये उड़ते हुए मुझे नज़र आए, जो कि लड़कियों के हिसाब से एक बहुत ही अच्छी उपलब्धि है.
I think children have so many ideas in them. It is only through pressure sometimes, children cannot come up with it. But how they are coming up over here is excellent. And I'm very happy with this camp. We should have these camps, and I think more children should join this camp. But this is the right way of assessing them for their life skills.